Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create your customer list on QuickBooks. Now you need to be signed into your QuickBooks account, and once you are here, you want to look towards this main option here. So it's not customers, you want to click on sales and get paid here. Again, remember, not customers, sales and get paid. So once you click this option, it's going to bring you to the overview page of this section. And under quick actions, the very first option here is customer, and you have a plus sign, right? So all you need to do is click on this, and this is going to be a slide or pop up here on your right hand side. This is going to be your customer's profile. So all you need to do is enter the title, Mr. Miss, first, last name, middle name, suffix, the display name for the customer. If they have a company, sure, their email, phone number, CC, BCC, mobile number, fax, if they have, and website. You can also tick this if they are a sub customer, right? And you can just choose who is the parent customer of it if they are in your database, right? And then just enter their billing address. So, street address, province, country, postal code, etc., etc. And you can actually attach a note and then click save. Now, once you have created a customer profile, that's going to be added to your list. And the more customer profiles you have, the bigger or longer the list you're going to have. So that is how you create a customer list on your QuickBooks account. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.